The human being is always selfish person. Okay, I want this. I'm expecting this. Okay, the opposite person should be according to my requirement. He has to follow my guidelines. He has to do as per my instructions. Okay, something like these kind of things, my, these kind of things, the relationships are going to become weaker. I hope everyone in the position to understand, right?
Yes.
So start giving what you are expecting, what opposite person expecting from us. Provide unconditionally. Then automatically what will happen is the things will come in reverse with the multiplication. That is the beauty thing. Okay, suppose Tom and Jerry, mother-in-law and a daughter-in-law. In every house there is a fight. In every house, most of the time, sir, everywhere is the common kind of thing. Are being mother-in-law, what a daughter-in-law expecting from mother-in-law? Okay, she's expecting love, she's expecting care, just like her mother. From her mother, what she's expecting, those things you require to provide. You require to provide. Then obviously, can you please imagine whatever daughter-in-law expecting, if the mother-in-law is going to provide huge, then obviously what mother-in-law expecting, obviously she is going to get from the daughter-in-law. Remember,